Hello everyone, Barbora here. Welcome to my beginner tutorial on how to move your arms in bachata. If you've ever felt unsure about what to do with your arms while dancing, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you the general arm movement that accompanies most of the bachata steps. This is not arm styling, the fancy arms, just the basic arm movement. Okay, so we're going to start with our feet together, with our arms bent in the elbows and our forearms approximately at the waist level. We want our palms to be facing our body, okay? So now not up or forward, but in, with our hands relaxed. It's very similar to when you walk. When you walk, you don't really pay attention to your hands, and so they are relaxed. And this is the position or something that we want to apply here in bachata as well. If you want, you can have your fingers slightly bent with your thumbs resting on your first fingers, like this. And from here, we want to do this movement. So we want our elbows to be pointing diagonally to the back, not directly to the side or directly to the back, but something in between. And we want to send one arm forward and the other one to the back, and then switch, and switch, and switch, and switch, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to add the feet movement. So we'll just take steps in place with one foot and then the other. One foot and then the other. And when we step with our right in place, we want to send our left arm forward and the right one to the back. And then when we step with our left in place, we want to switch our arms. So we always want to send the opposite arm forward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's put it together with the side basic. I'm going to mirror you, so I'm going to start with my left, but you will start with your right. So let's do the side basic first without the arms. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's add the arms. So when we step with our right to the side, we're sending our left arm forward. Now on 2, we switch. On 3, we switch again. And when we tap on 4, our arms will stay in the same position, because this is not a step, this is a tap, okay? So our left arm is staying in front. And now on 5, when we step with our left to the side, we're going to switch our arms again. 5, now on 6 we switch, on 7 we switch again, and on 8 when we tap, same thing, our arms staying in the same position, 8. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Now let's go a little bit faster. I'm going to face away from you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you very much for dancing with me. If you would like to see more content like this, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the meantime, you can check out this video and learn some arm styling variations, and you can find all of my Bachata lady styling tutorials in this playlist.